I recently arrived at Pangyu Station where I was planning to go to a bookstore and film a video because it's very pretty here. But I discovered the bookstore is closed because the whole department store is closed, even though there was a sign that clearly said that they're open. So now me and my boyfriend were thinking what exactly to do, where exactly to go. And we decided to go to Science Station, which is just a few stations away from here. They have the same bookstore there, and they probably also have a pretty cafe. So I'll take you with me, and yes, hopefully the bookstore is open. We're back at the bus. The rain is completely messing up my hair. Just doing an emergency side bangs. We finally made it to the bookshop. Can you see it there? Wait, you cannot. Hyobo! Yay! I have been looking for one specific book. I have to check the computer. They do not have the book I'm looking for, sadly. But I also came to look for a pen. This is so cute. It's a rubber. This is so adorable. this character. I have so many plushies and hangers from this cacao character. I love this bookshelf. Of course, they do have K-pop. Wow, these are so cute. Guys, I just found the cutest hanger ever. Look at it. It's so funny with glasses. And he's got a little carrot eye. So adorable.
회원이세요? 봉투 필요하실까요?
아니에요?
6,530원 결제할게요. 귀찮으셨나요? 네.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요. We want to eat something before we're having a coffee because we're quite hungry. Let's cross the street. It's so rainy. To Indian restaurant to have lunch. I think we're gonna order a set, right?
Well, if you want to have a true curry, we have to take this one.
This one is kind of good, right? The mutton curry.
This is spicy. Oh, but the spicy level one. Yeah, I think a mutton curry looks good.
Right?
Yeah, 양고기.
You probably want lassi, right? Just so sweet. Strawberry, mango, blueberry.
Blueberry.
Blueberry, and for me, I think I want just a lemonade. Okay. Let me ask for a 고수. 사장님. 머턴 카리는 코스 있어요?
아니,
없어요? 세트 A 이분이 이거는
머튼 커리?
네, 머턴 카리 그냥 플루베리 맞아요? 플루베리 라시 하나 하고 레모네이드 하나 해주세요. 감사합니다. 괜찮아요?
네.
감사합니다. This is way too big for me. Can you guys see
Yeah,
this?
pull the string.
This should work. So I got a lemonade. Try. It's not sparkly. I was expecting sparkle water. It's not too sweet. I like it. Let's try my boyfriend's drink. This is a kind of like a yogurt drink, blueberry flavored. I'm only gonna have one sip because I cannot handle dairy. Just, I don't know, the milk tastes a bit weird, I think. Maybe I just cannot have milk anymore. So we've ordered a set that comes with curry, with rice, with chicken, and naan, which is like a big bread with garlic or like a piece of dough. And yes, I'm very hungry. We're gonna eat this now, and then we're going to a coffee shop. Now I got a picture with you guys. This is really cute. We just entered the coffee shop. I love it here. It's so pretty. Everything is green. Cream latte that I ordered, coffee, brown sugar I think it was, and made with soy milk. And for my boyfriend we have this matcha, was it a matcha smoothie? Yes, I think it was a matcha smoothie. And the best part, Korean people just love fusion everything with croissants. Last year we had cruffles, which is a croissant waffle. Now we have Ruffles, was it? So it's a croissant muffin, and this one looks so adorable. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Let's try my cream latte. I don't know how they it's perfect. It tastes so good. With people who don't like matcha, they're not gonna like it. But for matcha lovers, this is perfect. So good. And look what a mess I made. I think I should get some tissues. Do you want to try?
Sure.
It's really good, right?
I wish I could have those kind of gardens.
It's not real.
No?
No,
It's all plastic?
all of this is plastic.
Well, still, I want to have a plastic garden.
You want the plastic one? I would like a real one.
You know, we just literally killed our pet plant yesterday.
I know, but she survived almost a year.
She passed away yesterday. Rest in peace.
But I really tried my best. I'm not good with plants, but I tried. And she almost survived a year. That's something. That must be worth something, right?
But it's a rubber tree. She should.
Hold on. It is a rubber tree, but it doesn't mean that she's made out of rubber.
Yeah, but I mean, she should live at least 10 years, right?
Maybe when I bought it in IKEA, it was already 9 years old. I didn't know about it. Okay, clearly I did something wrong. I don't know what.
Clearly, you murdered her.
Clearly I
She was a
didn't do it on-
baby.
I didn't do it on purpose.
That doesn't mean you're not guilty.
I bought a spray bottle. I sprayed her. I put water only when it was dry. I followed everything, every rule. I'm just not good with plants. I love plants, but I suck at them.
Well, is there a last word for